So this video is about using a matrix equation to solve three equations with three variables. Pause the video here and try to write three equations for number one after you read the situation. There's going to be one equation for the money you spend and what you buy, one for what your one friend spends and buys, and one for the other friend. It's very important that you define your variables. So I was going to say X is avocado, Y is bread, Z is chicken cost. You could do A, B, C. It does not matter. This should be the equations you wrote, and here's how you get them. For the U, the total is 26 actually for everybody. You bought 4, 3, and 1. So 4 avocados, 3 breads, and 1 chicken. So that's the coefficients here. One friend buys 2 of each. So that's the 2, the 2, and the 2. And your last friend buys 2, 6, and 1. So now we can write a matrix equation with our coefficients. And go to the calculator. I go to second, x to the negative 1 is the matrix menu, edit. It's a 3 by 3 here. And I've got 4, enter, 3, enter, 1, enter. So type in all your entries. Oops. Then I'm going to quit, go back into matrix, edit matrix B, 3 by 1, and all 3 rows here are 26. Again, back to the main calculate screen, and this time when I go into the matrix menu, I'm going to stay on names. Because when I solve this, so this is matrix A, this is my variable, and matrix B. Matrix with the variables is going to be A inverse times B. Let's see what we get. We're going to stay on names, do matrix A. I need the inverse. Go back into matrix. Now I need matrix B. I get 3, 2, and 8. So what this tells us, how much does each item cost? So avocados cost $3 each. Bread costs $2 each. And chicken costs, $8 each. So your final answer needs to be in words about what your question is answering. All right, let's try number 2. Take a minute, pause the video, read the word problem. I'm dividing my variables as student and non-student tickets. And when I read the question, we're going to have a number of tickets, and then we're going to have cost. So the total number of tickets is 452, 75 cents for students, $2 for non-students, for a total money. Let's turn this into a matrix. Go to our calculator. Okay, so now I've updated both my matrix A and B to match this problem. And as a shortcut, see how I already have this typed? If I do second enter, now this new equation references my new matrix A, inverse, and B, and I get my answers. Not these. Okay, so that tells me that there are 380 student. What did I do? Oh, okay. 380 student tickets. 72 non-student tickets were sold. All right, let's try page 26. Pause the video. Try to write your equations. Okay, so the first thing you should have done in number 3 is define your variables. Did you pick X, Y, Z, A, B, C? Does not matter what letters you pick. And then they've set this up here where each bullet point is an equation. So we have one transformer, 25 wire, 5 lights for a total of $20. And one transformer, 50 feet of wire, 15 lights, $35. And then the last sentence, those all match. Go to your calculator, type in all the matrix, A inverse times B, and you should get that the transformer cost $10, the wire cost 20 cents, and the lights cost $1. All right, let's try number 4. What are your variables? What are your equations? All right. So for variables, I said X is the number of adults and Y is the number of kids. And I have a people equation. So 20 people total, this equation. And then a money equation. Write that into a matrix. Type it in your calculator. Pause the video while you do that. And you would invite 4 adults and 16 kids. That should be your final answer. Page 27, these are bonus questions. They are 4 variables. We will not have any of those on an assessment. If you're curious, here's how you would set up 5 if you want to try it. Page 28, this is really good test review practice. This is not officially signed. Just some extra work in the packet available to you. And now your job today is page 29. So you're going to finish page 29 and check your answers.